Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Ladybug pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head. Start by drawing a circle here. Okay, next let's draw the eyes. Draw another smaller circle inside the head here for the first eye, and then color it in black. Next, let's draw the other eye coming off the side of the head. To the left, draw a curved line across the side of the head here. Now draw a semicircle outwards to the left. It's okay if we go over the headline because now we're going to color the eye in black. Next, let's draw the antenna. Draw a small black oval above the eye here. Draw another oval above the other eye as well. From the oval, draw a line up and curve it outwards and back down. Then draw another smaller oval at the end. Do the same thing for the other antenna. Now let's draw the body. From the top of the head, draw a large curved line to the right and back down. Move back over to the side of the head and draw a curved line down and to the right like this. Then close off the bottom with a line across. Now from under the right side here, draw a line all the way back across to the head. Let's draw the spots now. Draw a large circle inside the body on the bottom left. Next, above it, draw an oval. Now draw another oval on the other side of the antenna. Next, draw a large round shape in the middle here. Then along the top edge, draw 3 curved lines across. Lastly, in the bottom right, draw another curved shape like so. Now let's move on to the feet. In the back, draw a curved line down and then a curved line back to the body to close it off. Next, under this foot, draw an upside down U shape and then close it off at the bottom. Draw another of the same shape to the left here. Then for the last foot, draw a curved line down from the bottom of the head like this. Then come into the right and draw another shorter line. And now close it off at the bottom. And that's it for this cute ladybug. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.